Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking compatibility and minimizing background load. This speeds charging and reduces heat. Inspect the port and cable for dirt or damage, because poor connections slow or prevent fast charging. Next, choose the correct cable and a PD-capable charger. Pick the highest safe wattage supported by your phone. Once done, plug the charger into a wall outlet rather than a computer USB port to ensure full current. Make sure to avoid adapters or hubs for this first swap. You now set the phone's charging behavior and align hardware to match. Go into battery settings to enable adaptive or optimized charging when present. This preserves battery life while using fast profiles. Then plug in the PD or QC charger and watch the indicator to confirm the negotiated wattage. A diagnostics app shows volts and amps. If the phone gets warm, reduce wattage or enable optimized charging. Doing so balances speed with long-term battery health, preventing accelerated wear. You finish by normalizing the new charging routine. Charge quickly to about 80%, then let trickle finishing modes top off to avoid stress. Make sure firmware is up to date, because some models disable fast charging without updates or authorized accessories. If charging stalls or the phone reports slower rates, first check and clean the port gently, then reseat or swap the cable. Often a worn cable causes the issue. If the problem persists, try the manufacturer charger. This resolves negotiation conflicts most times.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.